Welcome to this solution video for SMO Junior 2025, question 8 and question 18. Let's dive into the first question. We are given that x and y are positive integers satisfying the equation x times y minus 9x minus 9y equals 20. We are asked to find the value of x squared plus y squared. Let's start by rewriting the equation xy minus 9x minus 9y equals 20. We group the terms cleverly. This allows us to factor the left-hand side. X minus 9 times y minus 9 equals 101. Now 101 is a prime number, so the factor pairs are 1 and 101 or 101 and 1. So we have two cases. Case 1, x minus 9 equals 1, y minus 9 equals 101, which gives x equals 10 and y equals 110. Case 2, x minus 9 equals 101, 1 minus 9 equals 1, which gives x equals 110 and y equals 10. In both cases, the value of x squared plus y squared is 10 squared plus 110 squared, which is 100 plus 12,100, giving us the final answer, 12,200. Now for question 18, we are given x cubed plus 4, x equals 8. We are asked to find the value of x to the power 7 plus 64, x squared. We begin with the given equation, x cubed equals 8 minus 4x. Now square both sides. X to the power 6 equals the square of 8 minus 4x, which gives 64 minus 64x plus 16x squared. Now multiply both sides by x to get x to the power 7. X to the power 7 equals 64, x minus 64x squared plus 16x cubed. Now add 64x's squared to both sides. X to the power 7 plus 64, x squared equals 64, x plus 16x cubed. Factor out 16 equals 16 times open bracket, 4x plus x cubed, close bracket. But from the original equation, x cubed plus 4x equals 8. So this becomes 16 times 8, which is 128. Therefore, the final answer is 128. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math problem-solving videos. See you next time.